Process control using neural network video analytics in a manufacturing enterprise. What the CVC system captures: employee performance, counting productivity for each workspace, shift, employee. The resulting data makes it possible to accrue wages to employees based on their individual performance. Automated product accounting, counting of production output on any type of conveyor, reconciliation with the accounting system in relation to the production plan, ability to count any type of production, parts, different kinds of packaging in all color and sizes, meat bodies. Control the employee's presence at their workspace, arrival and leaving times, duration of staff absence. Production equipment downtime. The collected information is displayed as graphs, the view of which is customized for each customer. Most of the modules of the CVC system works on the video surveillance equipment already installed at the facility, connects to any accounting system of the customer. Order a free demo at cvc.ai.